G'day, Adam here from Team Gould. Now when you buy this home, you will be living in paradise, trust me. Let's come and take a look at number 34 Seagull Street in beautiful Victoria Point. Situated in a quiet pocket in Victoria Point, this completely renovated and beautifully presented home has it all. You have a nice wide side access, multiple living areas, a resort style outdoor entertainment area overlooking a sparkling in-ground pool. You have the potential to work from home, have your own dual living setup or large indoor entertainment area or gym room. With water and several power outlets, the opportunities are endless with this room. You are close to several quality schools, as well as several major shopping centres, parklands. You're only minutes away from beautiful Moreton Bay. This home is ready for you to move in, relax and enjoy. How good is this? If you've got a business and you'd like to work from home, this could all be yours. I can't wait to meet you and show you through at the open home. Thanks for watching.